Now, let's see what happens when we have an exponent of an exponent. So, let's look at an example. 2 to the power of 3, which we then elevate to the power of 2. So, it may seem very complicated, but if we break things down, what we're doing is, so 2 to the power of 3, that is a base of 2, which we're going to have 3 times, so 2 times 2 times 2. And then when we elevate that to the power of 2, well, essentially we're squaring that, or we're repeating it. So in total, it's like having 3 plus 3 equals 6 2's in a row. And one way of thinking about that is that, well, in total we have 6 2's, and we can think of that as 3 plus 3, or 3 times 2. And that's effectively the rule for combining exponents, exponents of exponents. You multiply the exponents together to get the total exponent. Let's see another example with x's in this case. So here we've got x to the power 4, which is then elevated to the power of 3. And that, well, you can write as x to the power 4, which is then multiplied 3 times by itself. And then each of those could be broken down into, well, in total, 4, 4, 4, so 12 x's. And that gives us x to the power 12, which we can also write as x to the power 4 times 3. So here, what we're doing is exponents of exponents, and in that case, we're multiplying the exponents together. Whereas when we multiply the base numbers together, we add the exponents. So it's very easy to get confused between the two. But remember, the two key rules are, one, exponent of exponent, you multiply the exponents, and if you multiply the bases, you add the exponents.